It happens to all of us at one time or another. I remember for me, it happened during COVID. I was stagnant in my leadership. I was wondering, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do next to develop my leadership? Maybe that's you. Maybe you're asking the question, how do I prepare for my next leadership opportunity? You don't know what's ahead, but you want to be prepared. That's a great thing. You spent so much time investing in other people, training, developing, maybe even coaching, counseling. Here's the question. When are you going to invest in yourself? Maybe you finished your college degree many years ago or other types of certifications to get you to where you are today. But here's what we know. What got you here, where you are right now, is not going to get you there where you want to be. The things that you've learned in the past are insufficient to take you to where you want to be. You have to do something different. You have to do something out of the box. I want to encourage you to invest in yourself. You've invested in others. Take the time to do something for you and your own personal and professional development. In the description below, you'll find the link to a free certified executive coach masterclass. This is a hybrid training program. It doesn't cost you a single penny, but I think it will give you a better understanding of what it means to be a coach, and more specifically, a certified executive coach. Maybe you haven't even thought of becoming a coach, but maybe you've pondered the idea, what can I do right now to develop my leadership skills? What can I do right now to prepare for that next opportunity? I want to be ready. You want to be ready. And I believe this masterclass will give you some direction. In the description below, click on the link and register for the next Certified Executive Coach Masterclass. It's a free masterclass, but I believe it'll give you some tools to get you from where you are to where you want to be. I believe it's going to help you prepare for that next leadership opportunity. So go ahead, don't be shy, invest in yourself. Do it now. Sign up.